How to log in into your ESIC employee account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. In the search bar, you need to search for ESIC employee login. And then head over to the very first site, esic.gov.com. You will land on the official page. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down and click on Employer Login right here. Click on OK. Now it will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. Simply enter your username of your account, enter the password, and then enter the captcha that has been given to you. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Login and then you'll be logged in to your account. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.